A warm welcome to you. Settle yourself into a comfortable position, whether sitting with a relaxed spine or lying down. Allow your body to soften and relax into the support beneath you. Take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale softly through your mouth, begin to release. We'll turn our attention inward and explore the peace that is inside you, even in the midst of anxiety. We'll calm our body first. Know that if your body is calm, your mind often follows. Slow your breathing down. With each inhale, give yourself permission to receive. And with each exhale, let go of resistance. Begin simply by receiving the air that surrounds you. And then receive the very moment in time you are giving yourself. Take a deep breath in and gently bring your awareness to where you might be holding your worries and fears within your body. Maybe it's tightness in your neck and shoulders, a clenching in your stomach, a furrow in your brow. Gently rub your hands together, creating a comforting warmth, and then place them on that area. Feel the gentle heat soothing you, a loving touch offering reassurance that in this moment you are okay. Take a deep breath in and allow the air to travel to this area of tension. And as you exhale, imagine that tension being gathered and softly carried out and away from you. Notice the space that remains. It's safe here. Don't be afraid to let go. This is where peace begins to unfold. Continue to breathe, and with each exhale, allow more and more tension to be carried away on your breath. Now that our bodies are finding a sense of calm, let's gently bring our awareness to our thoughts. Rest your palms gently, one over the other, facing upward and open. Imagine a soft, clear bubble resting gently in your palms. Inhale softly, and as you exhale, gently gather your thoughts and release them into this bubble. Observe them swirling softly within it as it gently expands. What feels ready to be released? Is it a worry about the future? A lingering regret or sadness from the past? Perhaps it's a feeling of frustration or anger. Gently let it go. It's safe to release it here. You're okay. And now, take in a deep, gentle inhale. And as you exhale softly, gently blow into the palms of your hands, allowing the bubble to float gently away from you. Watch it drift, becoming smaller and smaller as it moves into the distance. Feel the spaciousness that remains in your mind and body. This is what calm feels like. Now continue to breathe naturally, mindfully, and at your own gentle rhythm. Feel the gentle movement of the air as it flows in and out of your body, cleansing and renewing you with each breath. If any thoughts or tensions gently return, greet them with kindness. Observe them softly. Feel them without judgment. And then gently allow them to drift away once more. Allow yourself in this moment to feel anchored and loved by the quiet support that surrounds you here. And now, as we gently begin to bring our awareness back to the present moment, wiggle your fingers and toes and become aware of the sounds around you. Know that you can carry with you this sense of spaciousness and the gentle knowing that this peace is inside you always. Wishing you calm mind and body until our next time together.